all welcome. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. Please take a seat because we have something very interesting to talk about with regards to so my channel is all about handling problems that have to do with hair. We talk about hair, and with time we're going to be coming around with other kinds of. Please help my ministry and subscribe. Thank you. About flax, very rich in vitamin E. Those of you who have issues with the skin, you know what vitamin E is all about. It's this kind of very important vitamin that adds the glow of the skin, works with collagen, promotes collagen in the skin, that's improving elasticity of the skin. So just like it works for the skin, it's also very good for the hair. Vitamin E in flaxseed, together with omega-3, and it's lots and lots of proteins that it has. It promotes hair growth, reduces hair damage or hair shortage, and it's overall good for the health of the scalp. I'm telling you, if you use this flaxseed for like a month, you're going to be testifying to the goodness of this. So I'm going to be preparing a conditioner for all of you, my dear friends, family, subscribers, and I just started using this. Believe me, it's kind of a gel. It can work to fix the hair, like setting the hair, used for styling and used for many other things. Now, without much ado, please stay tuned to the channel right to the end, and I'm going to show you where to get flaxseed, where to get coconut milk in your local supermarket. Please follow. So please stay tuned and follow me guys. So people, I'm actually at a local supermarket. This is called Lidl. You can find Lidl almost everywhere in Europe, in Belgium, Germany, Holland. Yeah, it's quite a common supermarket. So this is where I get my ingredients, my flaxseed and my coconut oil. When you get into the supermarket, you go down to the side where the section where you have grains and nuts. You have peanuts, you have dates, you have oats, and here you're also going to find flax seeds. You can actually find flax seeds, for those of you in Germany, in Rossmann, Aldi. Really, it's really common. You can find it in most supermarkets. For the coconut milk, you have to go to the section where you have canned tomato, canned corn, canned beans. There you also find coconut milk in can. Yeah, like I said, both ingredients are really easy to find and also affordable. For €2 you'll find each ingredient. Yeah, so here are our two ingredients: coconut milk and flaxseed or Gründelen or Leinsamen, that's in German, or Linsen or Zad. Yeah, so I'm going to pour my coconut milk into a pot without adding any additional substance in it. I'm just going to be using the pure coconut milk, and I'm going to cook it up until the consistency gets thicker. So it's the same for my flaxseed, just that in my flaxseed I'm going to be adding some water. So it's going to be like, to every 2 cups of flaxseed I'll put a half cup of 2 cups of water, I'll put a half cup of flaxseed. That's for me. It depends on the kind of consistency you want. If you want it to be more viscous or thicker, then you can increase the quantity of flaxseed. But for me, I think this mixture is fine. Yeah, so I'm pouring my flaxseed into my water, and I'm going to cook both pots at medium to high heat. Now guys, we're going to let it sit for like 30 minutes to 1 hour, and we're going to let both mixtures to boil until they boil. Now for the coconut milk, we're going to keep checking on the consistency until it gets to that point, that thickness that we want. And for the flaxseed, once it's it boils like this, and you can test it and see that it's slimy and viscous, really viscous, then you can turn off the heat and you can strain out the flaxseed. And yeah, the end product we want is the thick gel. You can see, oh my god, you can already see what's pulling down there. Well, the slimy mixture, yeah, it's like the gel that comes out from aloe vera or okra. It's very good. So guys, after straining out the flaxseed, we leave the mixtures to cool down. You can see already the gel is almost complete, but not yet complete. So we're going to let the mixture stand for a while, because the colder it gets, the more viscous or thick it becomes. And for the coconut milk, we're also going to let it cool down. So both mixtures are going to stand for like 2 hours until they're about 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. So you can already see that the flaxseed gel is almost there, I would say. After the required cooling time, as you can see, the gel is thicker than it was at the start, and I can tell you this is as effective, if not more effective, than the normal chemical gels we buy at the beauty shop. So the advantage this one has is it's natural, so it can actually stay in your hair. And you won't be worried that there's going to be breakage of your hair strands or anything like that. So I'm going to mix both mixtures together, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Now this is just to add the shine to my hair, and you can add 2 spoons, 3 spoons, whatever you want. You can even use the other any other natural oil like olive oil or castor oil, whatever you choose. So after adding this in, I'm going to use a mixer to whisk. I have a mixer guys, but I would prefer to use a whisker because I know every person can afford to have a whisker. Now you can use a mixer if you want, and it's even going to give a better consistency at the end of the mixing process, but in this case I'm using a whisker. Yeah, so at the end of the whisking, and there you have it guys, my deep conditioner made from flaxseed and coconut milk. Now with this I come to the end of this video of the part 1. You're going to see part 2 where I actually apply it on someone's hair not mine. Thank you guys for watching, and if you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you all so far, and see you in my next video. Bye.